Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Tom over at Gas. Today we're going to be doing a video on our new purchase in the workshop, which is a new diagnostic trolley or diagnostic cart. So we have gone for the Beta unit, or Beta, don't know how you say it really, but I'm going to say Beta for now. So this is the CA49 model. You can get the CX49 model, which is exactly the same, I believe. The only difference is it doesn't come with a lockable front compartment. The thing I do like about this, you can remove the front if you decide to change your mind. So I've been looking a little while now for a diagnostic trolley. All the ones I seem to see on the market are really big. Snap-on do a good one, but it's just a bit too big for me. What I wanted is a trolley that I could get in between cars, have my battery charger on there, laptop on the top. It's not going to take up too much room in the workshop, something that's easy to move around, like you say, get around the cars, front, back. So I've been looking a little while, but I've found this unit and I'm happy with this. So I'll just give you a little walk round. So it's got space on top for a monitor, nice little foam pad. So you've got a little slide out keyboard drawer, which is nice. Then you've got one shelf which is fully adjustable, which is nice. And then you've got a bottom shelf underneath that. And then, like I say, I've gone for the lockable front, so I can keep all my diagnostic laptops, computers in there. On the side, all these slide down, so you can just position where you want them, just to tidy all your cables up and leads. I've left them loose for now. Got this little piece on the side which we can use for wrapping cables or clipping stuff too, which is nice. Just go around the back. Got a nice little handle there to move it along. And then we have this piece on the back for some torque roll. What I'll probably do is have my battery charger in here, and I might even just clamp my leads onto that maybe, but we'll see. And then the other side we've got some nice little pockets on the top and some more storage down below. Yeah, nice colour, goes well in our workshop. At the minute, this is my diagnostic corner. It's a bit messy at the minute, we've been really busy, but we've got the Pico 4-channel scope, my laptop, GYS battery charger, and then some diagnostic equipment on the side. We've got the snap-on, autel, OEM. Yeah, like I say, just a bit messy, so I'll get it all on the trolley, see what works well, and then I'll come back and give you all an update. So there's my quick setup. Just throwing it together quick. May change the layout slightly as I start using it. So I've got my laptop on the top, which is used for my Pico. I'll put the Pico on the shelf behind that, just so it's easy to get the leads to, so I can just go straight in the back there. All my Pico leads all go nicely on this side. Not found any use for that bit yet, but as we walk around the back, I've just, like I say, I've used that torque roll holder, tie my battery leads up, keep them nice and neat, and then when I need to put the car on charge, everything's there around the back. I've got the amp clamps down at the bottom. What I'll probably end up doing is making a little bar and then attach it to the side of the trolley somehow. It'd be just nice to clamp all my amp clamps around the bar, keep them all neat. So I'll end up using these. So I've got some clamps in there at the minute. I'll end up filling these with all the little breakout leads and pins I use. Got my dongles, got the snap-on and the autel, and I've got my VCDS dongle in the back. Top shelf I've moved up a little bit, got my GYS charger in there, this is nice. And then the shelf below, I've got the autel, which is probably the one I use the most at the minute, between that and the snap-on, just for ease. So I'll leave that there, just quick and easy to access. And then I've got one of my multimeters on here. This is the snap-on advanced digital multimeter. Use that quite a bit, but just for quickness I've got my little handheld snap-on, which is around somewhere. And then in the bottom cabinet, like I say, it's nice that you can just lock it. I've got the OEM VAG xentry, and then I've got the snap-on machine in the bottom there. Snap-on one's also got 4-channel scope, which I don't use that often as I've got the Pico, but I will occasionally use that. It's nice and quick to set up, so nice bit of kit. But no, I'm happy with that. Like I say, I was thinking that was small, go in between cars, didn't take up too much space, and I could get everything on there, so yeah, really happy. But yeah, got space still for a keyboard on there and a mouse, which would be nice. So when I'm not using the laptop, using the tablet, so I can use the mouse and the keyboard. But no, I'm happy with that. Nice bit of kit, nice colour. But show us your setup, so I'd like to see what everyone else is using. Let us know what you think if you've got this trolley. But no, I like it. That would do me. A lot of the diagnostic trolleys I've seen, they've got like the big screens on the back, which is nice, especially if you're using the Pico. But at the minute, I'm going to leave it like that. I've got my laptop screen, which is, to be fair, is plenty big enough for what I need. But the biggest problem in any workshop is dust, which is another reason why I've got this unit, and I'll show you why in a minute. So let me know what you all think. That is my setup. I'd like to see what everyone else is using, diagnostic trolley wise, or diagnostic cart, however you want to say it. If you're from the States or the UK, but let me know. Just show you the one last feature on the trolley. It is the cover. So like I say, the biggest problem in the workshop, keeping dust levels down, especially around computers. So yeah, they do a cover. I think it's about £20, £30. So yeah, well worth it. One thing I didn't mention is there is room for a printer on the trolley, to be fair, on that bottom shelf, but all the diagnostic equipment's linked to the printer over the Wi-Fi, so I don't need that on the trolley. But if you did have a printer, it's handy. I like it, newest addition to the workshop, so yeah, happy with that. Let me know what you think, and let me see your setups. I'll see you on the next one.